Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pratham Dwivedi and I talk a lot about how to grow your business. So today's topic is AI. We'll try and understand how can you make the best use of AI in your business, how can you grow your business using AI and also save a lot of costs in many places. So main question that we would try and answer is why use AI, and if so, then how do we incorporate that in our business? I am very sure that you would have already tried some of the publicly available AI models like ChatGPT, Bard, and other such models. So I think that you already have a fair bit of understanding what all it can do for you. So now the question is, how can this progress help us in growing our business? Whether we should apply these kind of AI models in our business? If so, then how do I do that? And what are the ways, what are the areas where I can leverage AI progress in my business? First, try and understand what is this buzz about AI? What is happening and why is it so important? So, in current technology world, computers have now become very smart, where they are able to do a lot of things which were previously not possible. For example, creating images just by telling what you want, creating blog posts, creating emails and text, and so many things which usually a human used to do before, and now computers are so powerful and so smart that they are able to create really good output on these kind of common tasks that are very well understood. So previously we used to program, and there was a very limited scope in that fashion, but now the possibilities are really huge, and you can literally do a lot more than what you used to beforehand. So now this technology shift has basically changed the game, for those people and those businesses who would use AI or they won't use AI and stick to old methods. I highly recommend that you go and make the best use of AI and incorporate that in your business and in your profession, because those people will win who know how to use this tool better than anyone else, versus trying to do the same thing over and over again, and which is going to be much less productive. As a business owner, there are many areas where you can actually use AI. However, be very cautious of the fact that you would still need people. It's not gonna replace all the workforce and just have computers. We are not there yet. But these tools are gonna improve the efficiency of your people, your employees. And even if you are in a job, then you should use these tools to improve your efficiency and make the best use of your time. There are some of the main areas where AI is just outshining. First is content creation. So if you are a business who of course would be marketing on online platforms, so there the content creation has become really easy, and you can use a lot of tools. There are tons of tools like for example Midjourney, ChatGPT, Bard, Bing, and so on and so forth, which will help you design, create your content much better than somebody doing it manually. Even the tools like Canva are now so smart, then you can literally tell and prompt Canva to create certain type of content, image, and it goes and does it for you. So it's almost everywhere. So you must go and explore. So I think marketing teams, content creation, social media teams are just gonna love it. They would be able to create a lot more good quality content using these tools. The most common question is that would they be expensive? So the answer is no. Nowadays, many of these models are really cheap and available for, let's say, $20 a month. Like for example, ChatGPT comes for just $20 a month. Bing is free. There are many more options out there in the market. Midjourney is also a very good tool for image creation, which is available for $20 a month, which is, I think, almost negligible, and it creates just amazing images. And not just that, almost every day there are new models coming up and they are becoming better and better. So they are not expensive. They can be used across the board. Also, I would like to highlight that when you are a business, and you would of course be worried about your data, that it should not become the data to be trained for the public. So in that case, there are enterprise options available as well, where you can talk to these companies and get an enterprise specific license, where your data remains your custody and it's not used for public training of models and so on and so forth. So yeah, they are not expensive. Just go ahead and try it. I would highly encourage that you at least should try them yourself first, and encourage your teams to make use of these tools. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope that you guys go ahead and try some of these new wonderful tools in the market. Do let me know in comments what you want me to focus on, and if there are any other topics related to AI that you want to learn more about. Till then, see you. Bye bye.